Hey there fellow coders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of Java programming and I have an exciting topic to cover. The topic name is arithmetic operators. If you are new to programming or looking to sharpen your Java skills, you have come to the right video. In this video, we will explore the essential elements of arithmetic operators that Java offers, from addition to subtraction and multiplication to division, and much more. Understanding these operators are crucial in performing calculation and manipulating data in your Java program. So let's start this learning journey and master the art of arithmetic operators in Java. So I will not waste your much time. So let's get started.